want you to hear words, you can say them